Hey, what's up YouTube? This flashlight was sent to me for testing and review. So it has 4 different brightness levels, but really it has 5 because what they call the echo setting is an ultra low mode. So you see the lumens for all of those there, and it has 2 flashing modes as well. Here is a closer look at the light. It has some lanyard slots. It has a removable pocket clip, skeletonized. It has an orange peel style of reflector. Also, I should mention this is version 2 of the P25 flashlight. Now, you may have noticed that this light actually has a very attractive look to it. The color and the texture. That is because it has what they call the micro arc oxidation processing surface. In fact, I would recommend if they can do that same process on all their future lights, that would be very good and very desirable. This light comes with a lanyard, an extra tail switch cover, some extra O-rings. It comes with a recharging cable, which is Type C to USB. It comes with this holster, which has this strap there. It's Velcro. And it comes with a battery. Now this takes a 21700 lithium-ion battery. To get at it, you unscrew the tail cap there. So this is the battery. You can see it's a very high capacity battery. In order to recharge the battery, hook it up with that cable to any USB power source. That's a power bank. It has an indicator light, has a red light. When it is fully charged, that will turn green. All right, so this is very convenient. Operation of this light. To turn it on, press the tail switch. To turn it off, press the tail switch. This also has momentary on if you half press. Cycle through the different brightness levels by pressing the side switch. Okay, so this would be the low mode. Medium, high mode, and this is the turbo. Wow, I can feel the heat. If you long press, you will get to the strobe. And it is a very disorienting strobe because it alternates pattern. If you long press again, it will go to SOS. If you press this and you press this, it will go to the echo mode. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, this is what they call the echo mode. It is an ultra low mode. Basically, if you need a candle for an extended period of time. At this time, I'm going to roll in the outside testing and demonstration footage, and then we will come back for final thoughts on this light. This is the lowest mode, what they call the echo mode. Let's cycle through the brightness levels. Wow, okay, so that's the turbo mode. Warning, we're going to do the flashing modes. Wow. And this is the SOS mode. And back to the turbo mode. Okay, so that is extremely bright. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out here on the road of no streetlights with this cyan sky light. All right, let's crank it up and see what we can see on the road. Wow. Focus. Lights up the whole road. Vegetation. Yeah, I mean, this is a very bright light. You hear the frogs? Hold on, I'll be quiet. Listen for the frogs. Yep, there's frogs over there. Here is a top view of the beam shot for this light. Nice. You can see the water. Every little bubble. I even heard a frog in the distance. Down the creek. The opposite bank. Up to the treetops. It's a beautiful and cool night tonight. Alright, so that's the cyan sky at Frog Creek. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out on the sports field. Okay, so this is where the goal usually is, right? So this would be where one of the goals is, but they've moved it to half field. All right, let's crank this up to turbo and see if it can cross the whole field. Okay. So you see that first goal, that goal is actually at the halfway mark. But if I zoom in, you see that goal behind it. Okay, so that's the other goal. So it can reach to that far goal, so it does cross the entire field. All right, let me zoom out and show that to you. Wow, okay, so this is an excellent light. It's very bright. So final thoughts on this Cyansky light. It is very bright, definitely for a single battery light. It has many good features such as that momentary on. It's a useful feature. And as I noted before, that micro arc oxidation process that they have on this, the color and the texture, that is really next level. I like that a lot. Cyansky in general is a very good company. I've reviewed several of their lights and I've always found them to be of high quality. They actually specialize in hunting type lights. Hunting, or maybe some of them you could consider tactical lights. All right, so this I'd recommend is a good outdoors light. Also, that battery is top notch, right? That battery can handle a lot of amps. That's why this can be so bright. But also that battery has very high capacity, right? So it's bright, it's got endurance, looks awesome. So overall, I do highly recommend this light. Now, this is available on their website. I will include a link to their website below the video. They also do sell on Amazon. I'm not sure if this version is available on Amazon yet, but I will include links to their listings on Amazon and their website so you can order direct. I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Flashlights. I'm out.